Hey guys, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik. Just harvested more orders. Thank you so much guys for your support. More cuttings, lots of Enigma cuttings, Dark Star, Yellow Palora, Cosmic Charlie, Israeli Yellow, Robles Red, Asunta 5 Paco, Breed, and Sugar Dragon, and lots more. Thai Red, Nitzel, lots of varieties. Okay, use this glass. Thanks to Edgar Valdivia. Give me the gift of a pair of these nice gloves, so at least I can load in the car. But when you harvest the cuttings, definitely it's hard to use. It's look at this. Look at my hands. Everything like within 1 hour. All my hands got completely in blood, scratches, and everything. But those people who actually grow dragon fruit get used to it. We bleed, we sweat, we tears, and it's tough job. It's tough job to survive. It's the harvest season is only 2-3 months. The rest of the year it's just growing, and we're trying to keep selling the cuttings and rooted plants. That's what keeps us alive the rest of 6 months. Okay, so currently we still have some fruit, guys. As you can see, Lavernas over here, still big Lavernas. We got Sugar Dragon, Physical Graffiti harvesting, American Beauty couple. Here we go, just show you already harvested. So tomorrow I'll be Ventura Midtown farmers market. Be selling lots of fruit over there. So if you guys need any cuttings or any plant to deliver, so it's gonna be tomorrow Midtown Ventura. Thursday no work. Okay, Thursday is gonna be no work. So that's it, guys. Stay in touch. Thank you for your support during this transition. I'm still looking for more places to find like something local. It has to be local, 5-10 minutes from home, for the pollination reason. It's very, very important, especially these beautiful Lisa varieties that blooming right now, and Enigma plants and all other plants that definitely need lots of pollen, and that's what the goal is, to mix it right now. Here's the goal, a little bit more update. Look at this. Look at this set of Enigma fruit. People already, when people coming, they already signed their names on the fruit. Like one person came already, Sipo, he said, okay, 2 weeks I'm coming back to collect this Enigma fruit. There is still more flower buds coming on Enigma, still more fruit coming. So hopefully we'll get another 30-40 fruit from this beautiful plant with the cherry flavor, bean cherry flavor. As you guys seen my videos of tasting from February, I harvested the last Enigma. Was February 2025. Was a good tasting as well, and that's nice, beautiful. And Richard Lee just tasted a couple weeks ago and proved this nice and tasty cherry flavor. Amazing fruit, red flesh, deep red flesh variety. Over pound was probably mine was the biggest, was pound and a half. This one is very nice. I can show you right now. So it's behind me over here. So this one is going to be over the pound for sure. Nice and beautiful, curly bricks on the sides, and amazing. Okay, we still have some fruit of George's Red, George's White. I see right now. Few of the Conimar just for tasting. And if somebody still wants to order the multi-variety box, you're welcome, guys. Please give me a call. It's Alik 323 area code 547-1273. Really appreciate, guys, your support. Still looking for a place, and hopefully I'm praying to God for just this week we need to get a solid location. I already went to Lister, the truck rental and lifts, and I ordered the wrapping material to wrap the plants. It's going to be a tough job. Each container probably around 800 pounds of soil, container, wood structure, and the plants. Look, I mean, this Laverne just itself is going to wrap around this plant. Hopefully we'll harvest the fruit by this time. It just, at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet diameter, just the plant itself with the branches and the structure. So we'll figure out. It's lots of physics needs to be calculated. Either I'm gonna purchase the little bit the pallet jack or rent it over to the local department. We need to get 16-footer truck to manage to go through the gate of the complex over here. and we'll start to live little by little. If you guys have some ability to support us, you know, to volunteer to help us clean up a little bit this place and move the plants, I will be happy to know that. I will definitely notify everyone when is the date and time to move. But before we go to that place, it needs to be prepared. I have to put the weed barrier all the way at the new place, wherever we're gonna get, and of course provide some dripping system. So it's a lot of work to do at this time of the season when the holidays is coming, and the joy of the harvesting and final weeks of the selling at the farmers market. But I'm so happy. Thank you guys, for bottom of my heart, for your orders and for your support, and definitely we'll keep up. And God bless to you all. God bless America, guys. Thank you so much. And Alik, Nature with Alik, 323-547-1273. Adios, all the best. Bye bye.